the grace of God that I'm here to see Dhaka again as a free country. I left on the 29th as a fugitive, assisted by a first cousin of mine, M.R. Usmani, then Deputy Secretary of the Home Department, and another cousin of mine called Salahuddin. Two young men got me out of the clutches of the murderous gangs on the 29th morning. And they asked me that I must get out quickly and out of the borders to be able to be of any service to the country. And today, to come back to see here Dhaka in sunshine, still bearing the scars of the genocide, but to see the faces of people looking determined, looking with determination and faith and hope.
স্বদেশে নয় বিদেশেও তুমি দেশের মান রাখো অটুট, সারা বিশ্বে বিশ্বাসে তুমি শান্তি রক্ষায় অগ্রদূত। স্বদেশে